Hi parents, it is Monday of week 3. I hope things are going smoother. You're getting into your routines really well. I know that they are going smoother for me and my kids. So this week they have really toned down on what they're going to be expecting from you this week. Know that Friday is Good Friday, so there will be no assignments on Friday. It will be a holiday. So for your science this week, today you are going to catch up on anything that you haven't finished from the first 2 weeks in science. Then tomorrow we're going to start a project. So just catch up on those science assignments, and then we'll start that project tomorrow. For math, you are going to do just one lesson. You're going to do 13-2, and that is in your small TEKS review book. If you are doing the online option, then you are logging on to Imagine Math. Let's see. For art today, there is an art lesson. If you are on the online or you have access to internet where I emailed you the agenda for the week, it is right there, and you can click on it and it'll send you to this page, and this page tells you a little bit about making art with shadows. Can you see those pictures? So they have picked some things around their house, and they're just setting it on a piece of paper and seeing what they can make the shadow into. So the fork, they made it into a music staff. The orange peels made this cool shape, and so they turned it into a bear. And then this cool little duck. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but it kind of looks like a little guy running. So just find some things around your house and create a art picture from your shadow. That'll be really neat. If you have little plastic animals, I saw on Facebook there was this really cute thing where they went outside and they put their paper down, and then they put their little animal and they drew the shadow of the animal. So that might be a good place to start. Let's see, for reading today, you are going to turn in your book to page 192, and you're going to do this prepared to read. You're going to talk to your child about informational text and how it's nonfiction, which means it's true. It has facts and information, great resources for learning. And then talk to them about your power words, which is your vocabulary. Talk to them about the definition. Help them know how to use that word in sentences or in conversation. That way they'll understand it better in the book. You won't read this until tomorrow, so this is all you're doing today, is doing this page in reading. And then for phonics, you're going to do, you're going to talk to your child about AR. They're AR words, which is, we call it one of the bossy R's. And when you put A and R together, it says R. And so you're gonna show your kid that the way that you would do it is you would get a piece of paper, and you will write down like the word arm, and then you're gonna underline the AR, and you're gonna say AR says R. So if we read this word, it would be arm. Arm. And I'll do a couple of them with Lindsay here in a little bit, and I will video that so that you can see it. They're not asking you to do anything else with those spelling words today other than to look at them, show them the AR says R, and then read them with your student, and that is all for today. I hope that you are doing well. For this week we're going to start this project, just a heads up for science. This is going to be the project, and it's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's going to be all 3 days to do this project, and I will talk a little bit more about that in tomorrow's video. Oh, and your iStation. Your iStation, they are only requiring you to do 2 days a week. The more that your student is on iStation, the better. But we're only requiring 2 days. If you do not have iStation, access to iStation, then I'm asking you to read at least 2 days a week. And obviously, the more that you read with your student, the better that they're going to do in reading. One thing that you can do while you're reading, if you're not doing iStation, is point out the last 3 weeks. We've done those 3 different spelling patterns. We've done OA and OW, and then we've done IGH, IE, and Y. And then this week we're doing AR. You'll help your student as you're reading to point out those words in the book, and kind of help them to, if they're not reading yet, help them to see those words and see, yes, you can do this. You just have to remember those spelling patterns that we've been working on, and sound it out. And the more you do it, the more practice you get, the better you're going to get at it. All right, I will see you tomorrow.